like you said, why all these auspicious things are not there? Because partly most of these religious rites and functions, there's certain devatas that have to be worshipped and invoked, and the gatekeepers of Vaikuntha and Ganapati and Shiva, many personalities are ultimately they should come and sit there and be in attendance and be witnesses and bless the holy ceremony. And they did that in previous yugas. The great devas would come to this planet in Satyuga, Treta Yuga. Narada Muni and Indra and Varuna. Even when Krishna was here, Indra came here, Brahma came here, Shiva came here. Of course, Krishna is Bhagavan. But still, even for ordinary kings, the devatas used to come to the yagyas and pujas. Like Daksha Yagya. Daksha's in the 4th canto. Must be, who knows what period that is, Treta Yuga, Satyuga, whatever. Maybe Treta Yuga, can't say. And then Shiva is his son-in-law. He didn't invite him, but his daughter came. Of course, she burned herself up, the Sati. So all the other because she said all the other demigods are going, Varuna's going, and Indra, everyone's going, what about me? Let them go, I'm not going. Well, Shiva's busy meditating. Shiva sits on the snow on top of Kailash. He's a very interesting personality. He's basically brahmachari, ideal brahmachari. And once in his life, or maybe twice, he combined with Parvati to produce Kartikeya, his first son. Then some story later, whatever, got this Ganapati. His name originally was Vinayak.